half the robberies you see in movies aren't actually robberies at all. I've been studying criminal law for years, and robbery is one of those crimes everyone thinks they understand until you dig into the actual legal requirements. It's not just taking someone's stuff by force. There are 5 specific elements that all have to be present, and even if one is missing, it's not robbery, it's something else entirely. Here's what actually makes a robbery. First, the taking. Someone has to actually take physical control of the property. That seems obvious, right? Second, it has to be personal property belonging to someone else. You can't rob yourself, and you can't rob abandoned property. Third, here's where it gets interesting. The property has to be taken from the person's body or their immediate presence. This means if someone steals your wallet while you're standing right there, that's robbery. But if they sneak into your house while you're at work and steal the same wallet, that's burglary, not robbery. Fourth, and this is the big one, there has to be force or threat of immediate force, not just against the victim, but potentially against their family or anyone else who's present. This is why pickpocketing usually isn't robbery. A skilled pickpocket uses stealth, not force or threats. And fifth, intent to permanently deprive the victim of their property. If someone takes your car keys planning to return them in an hour, technically that's not robbery, even if they use force. But here's where this gets wild. Courts are constantly fighting over what counts as force and what counts as presence. I found cases where someone aggressively snatched a phone from someone's hand, but some courts call it robbery and others call it larceny because the force was minimal. And get this, if you steal from someone's unlocked car while they're pumping gas 10 feet away, that's robbery because you took it from their presence. But if they're inside the gas station buying a Coke, now it's just auto theft. The craziest part? A pickpocket who steals $10,000 in cash gets charged with simple larceny, while someone who demands $5 with a threat can get charged with robbery, and that carries way more prison time. The law is absolutely bizarre when you break it down like that. What seems like common sense on the surface has all these technical requirements that can completely change someone's life depending on how a prosecutor decides to charge the case.